I'm TJ.
I'm Destiny.
And I'm Curtis.
And this is
Drunk Science.
So for today's experiment, we're going to need some simple ingredients. We're going to start with some pseudoephedrine, which you can get as cold medicine, acetone, phosphorus, and we're also going to...
No, teacher, that's not, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Tell me.
Today we're doing the pasta rocket engine thingy.
I like to start my day off with a cold one.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It's liquid gold!
Alright, for this experiment, we're going to need to start off with some room.
For this experiment, you will need hydrogen peroxide, yeast, a jar with a lid with a hole, a noodle, a lighter, tape, and liquor.
Okay, so for this experiment, obviously we're going to use hydrogen peroxide as we mentioned. Just going to fill up our little jar about 3/4 of the way.
And then you're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of yeast.
And give it a little stir. As you can see, you're starting to get a bit of a reaction already and it's starting to foam up. That's the oxygen being released.
And then we're going to put the top lightly on the top without screwing it in because we don't want to kill ourselves. And then we're just going to wait a minute.
Forcing the oxygen to come through a condensed passage.
And then we're going to use our lighter here. A little bit of oxygen coming out. It's hard to see, but there, you see the flame taken? There we go. And now you have a hybrid rocket engine made from bread yeast and hydrogen peroxide. This is very dangerous and it's getting very hot. Yeah, but it is pretty cool.
As we said, the oxygen is forced through a narrow passageway, condensing it, and when we ignite it through there, we get this reaction, similar to what happens in rocket engines. Remember, whenever you're trying experiments like this at home, make sure you wear safety things like goggles, lab coats, and protective gear.
And also, it's twice as fun if you're drunk. Explode or something. That was cool.
That was. Let's take a look at what's left over, a little bit of pasta. Not a lot.
Alright, now this might look tasty, but if you drink it, it'll probably kill you. Okay, that was hot.
Not as pronounced as the first time, but
it's still working. And so, chemically speaking, the enzymes in the yeast act to decompose the hydrogen peroxide into pure oxygen and water. My thumb hurts.